Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a recipe from this book, Own Your Health. And this book was written by Glenn Mercer and Chef AJ. So there's a ton of recipes in here from Chef AJ and some bonus recipes as well. This recipe is going to be fried artichoke hearts with a delicious balsamic tahini dill dressing. So stick around, you won't want to miss it. For quick, easy, healthy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm Debbie Chu and I'm a plant-based RN. I eat a low-fat, high-carb diet, which has allowed me to keep off the 15 pounds I lost. Today's recipe is a perfect example of the way I eat. So let's get started. You're going to need a NutriBullet or a high-powered blender. Either one is fine. We're going to put everything into the blender here. I've also got a 12-ounce package of frozen artichoke hearts, which I have defrosted and I've squeezed out the excess moisture. And then we're going to put everything into our air fryer. So what will be going in here is some gluten-free oats, nutritional yeast. I've got some spices, smoked paprika, a little bit of salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and we're just going to blend this up until it's all smooth. We're just going to put our mixture here into a shallow little dish. And you can just see it's kind of a fine powder. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dredge our artichoke hearts into this mixture, and they're still a little bit wet so it will stick to it, so no oil is needed, and they're going to go right into our air fryer basket. So I'm just going to continue coating all of these, and then we will be ready to start the air fryer. So I've got the artichokes all loaded into my air fryer basket. We're going to put these at 400 for about 20 minutes. And I will check these after about 15 just to make sure they're doing okay. So while the artichokes are frying in the air fryer, we're going to make our delicious little tahini balsamic dip. Now onto our little dip slash dressing. We're going to be using our bullet again. And I've got some balsamic vinegar. Got some tahini. The juice of 1 lemon and the zest. And then a pitted medjool date. And then some dill. The full recipe with all the measurements will be in the description box below, so don't worry about that. And now we're going to whip this up and make our little dip. Oh, one more thing, that would have been fun. We need some water. I'm going to say a half a cup to 3/4, depending on how thick you want it. I'm going to just start with about a half. And if I need more, I will add it. So we'll blend this up. And here is our dip. All right, just a few more minutes for the artichokes and we'll be ready to give this all a taste. So here we go. Our air fried artichoke hearts with our delicious balsamic tahini dill dressing. So let's give this one a try. I did pull them out at about 15 minutes. I think they were crispy enough, golden enough for me. You may want to put them in for the full 20. That's up to you. So let's give these a little taste here. That dressing is perfect. It's sweet and tangy. It goes really good with the light breading on the artichoke hearts. So I think you're really going to enjoy this one. And like I said, I will put the full recipe in the description box. And make sure you check out my description box because there's discount codes in there. There's links to my favorite products. There is links to my t-shirt line. And I will also put a link to Chef AJ's new book. So I hope you give this recipe a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you found it helpful, please leave me a comment below. Until next time, thank you.